Anyone who knows Carly, she's like a 10 o'clocker and it's 8:30.
Watch your head and step. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi there.
Okay guys, we made it. We made it into the Magic Kingdom. The line was nuts. But look at this. The happiest place on earth. He's not very happy. Out of nowhere, just thunder, rain, just boom, just rain, pouring down rain. So now we came out of our storm hole, as Mom calls it. Carly.
How are you, baby?
Good morning, everybody. So, welcome back to another video. This is exciting. We're headed to Magic Kingdom.
You just missed the squirrel going up the tree.
Somebody's not happy to be awake.
No.
Anyone who knows Carly, she's like a 10 o'clocker and it's 8:30. So she ain't happy, but got everything ready. The Airstream's good. The air conditioning's on for the pup and the cat, and it is humid. Over 100. The feels like's over 100. So we're gonna hop in the golf cart and head to the boat. Okay, so got to the boat. It's cool because we have the golf cart. We drove right from our campsite and we parked. We parked right there. There's parking right at the marina for your golf cart. Then you hop on the boat and you head on over. Good thing for the golf cart, we had to run back and get the stroller, we forgot. So, but yeah, we are gonna take a ferry over to the Magic Kingdom. Huh, Carly?
She's mad.
She's mad because she's up way too early for her, but she'll be fine. So we got the ferry in sight. Come on, let's go, 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 go.
You're in the water. In the boat.
This is where we watched the fireworks and stuff last night. We watched the fireworks from Magic Kingdom, and we also watched the boat parade. But it was a lot of fun.
And the boat was late.
I don't think she gets it though.
Watch your head and step. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Here,
Thank you.
Hi there.
Say good morning.
Jeez. Carly, we're on the boat.
Yeah.
And it's been fun.
I'm really mad at me because my mother was agreeing like 4 years. I'm done. Yeah, it's fun. Thank you. She loved the boat. Carly,
Come on, babies.
yeah, her boarding started
All
like
right.
Thursday.
There you go. Got off the boat.
Already.
Got off the boat, and I think it just enters right here. But ferry ride was cool. It's pretty quick. Okay, guys, we made it. We made it into the Magic Kingdom. The line was nuts. But look at this. See that behind me? Look at this. We made it.
We're actually here.
We made it.
Behind you. I'm behind you.
Okay, we're gonna head in to the park now. Carly, look! Look! Look where we are! Okay, so we found the first thing we want to go check out. The Emporium is a huge gift shop. Wow, it feels cold in here. Oh my gosh. So we opted against getting Carly a shirt actually because she found this. Moana's her favorite movie. She found this little play set. So we're actually gonna get her that. And then I found this. I found this shirt.
I still haven't found anything yet.
Kind of cool. So I like it. We are walking towards the castle. Check this out. Look at this. You can see it off in the distance. Well, everyone's huddled here in the little tiny overhangs. Look, Carly's not liking it, but look at this. Out of nowhere, just thunder, rain, just boom, just rain, pouring down rain. And we're underneath this little thing when we stopped to get lunch. Look at this freaking hot dog.
Already dug in the
It's a foot-long hot dog. We got some fries and stuff. This is the place we huddled in the rain, but this is the place we actually got lunch. Casey's Corner. It was good. That hot dog was really freaking good. So now we came out of our storm hole, as Mom calls it, and we're walking around again. We came out of our storm hole, huh?
Yeah, we did.
We made it to the castle. Check this out. Carly, you see it?
Quick pro tip if you have kids, don't buy the balloon until you get ready to leave the park. Because I feel like it's a really bad idea.
Yeah, otherwise you gotta try to not lose it.
I just saw this little girl like desperately holding onto her balloon. I'm like, oh.
Okay, we're waiting for the parade. We hope we're in the right spot. We're right in front of the castle. The happiest place on earth. He's not very happy. Carly's good. Carly's good. She's sitting in her stroller waiting. Look at this.
Well, this is where we marched around when we were here, so I'm assuming this is like the spot to stay.
Yeah. The castle. Actually, are going to do the parade. We walked out of the little Hall of Presidents there, and they said, hey, you can't walk across that little line they put up because the parade's coming. So we're waiting here.
I told you they wouldn't cancel that.
That was kind of cool. You can see they have like backup plans upon backup plans.
When you're in production, especially of this magnitude, you have to.
They instantly switched from the normal parade to that. And I'm sure that's their
easier because it was combined. Like they were on float, so it was easy to get them off if there was a storm.
Carly loved it, but I'm sure they're so efficient. It's ridiculous. But we're gonna get a drink and then we're gonna go ride some rides. We're gonna check out Tomorrowland. Huh?
Yeah.
What?
It doesn't look that exciting.
Hey, I think it looks fun. We're gonna go check out the Speedway and the People
The Hall
Mover.
of Presidents looks fun.
You know what? It's fine. Okay, we're gonna try to do the People Mover. I think that's something Carly really likes.
This way.
Yep. There's one. We're gonna go for the People Mover. Carly, we're getting on the People Mover.
You're liking this.
Carly's liking it so far. And it's like a moving platform that you get on. That's kind of cool. We're on the People Mover.
Apparently it's your first roller coaster too.
We got the front seat.
What are you doing? Yeah, because it comes here, this is their coffee.
Why are you always looking at coffee?
I love coffee. It's my landmark.
The Carousel of Progress.
And I have yet to have coffee today, so that's why.
The next station is Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
As usual. Okay, so the People Mover was actually kind of fun. I liked it.
Yeah, I mean, it's nice where I can just sit and relax too.
Carly liked it too. Carly,
And it's great.
smile. We're gonna see if we can get a drink real fast, and then we saw the Speedway we're gonna try. So we did get drinks. Check these things out. I got the Team Blue Frappe, and yours was Mission to S'mores.
It's good. It's iced coffee, basically.
Okay, I don't know if you can hear me, but we're gonna try to do the Speedway ride.
I'm so excited for that.
Yeah, look at this.
Hey, side note, you can turn it over there for some kids.
We'll see how this goes, but we're gonna do the Speedway ride. Carly's gonna sit with me, and Lauren's gonna chase.
No.
You're gonna chase.
No. I'm
You're
not
gonna
going to chase.
You are gonna chase. Carly, this thing doesn't steer for crap. It's just wandering all over the road. Hi, Carly.
How are you, baby?
All right, well that's gonna be, we're leaving Tomorrowland. We rode the People Mover, Carly liked it, and we did the Speedway, Carly liked that
Both
as well.
great rides with littles.
Both of them, Carly 2.5, she liked them, wasn't scared.
No, that'd be 32 inches though. For
Yeah,
the second
32
one.
inches for the
Cars.
Cars one, the Speedway, but she's like 34 inches, so she just barely made it. They even checked her twice. So.
Yeah, but it wasn't like a roller coaster, so it didn't matter.
No, so she was good, but we are heading towards the ferry now. We're gonna go let the pup out, and then we're gonna come back. But yeah, so far, first half of the day, good. Okay, so that was kind of fun. We were walking out. I'm glad we were going to think about doing one more ride on the way out, but I'm glad we didn't because they did a parade, the one that was canceled earlier.
Please do the parade, especially if you have littles. Like, she absolutely loved it, and it's magical watching it with them.
They did the parade that was canceled from earlier in the rain, so we actually got two different parades because they did the rain one earlier and then the one that would have normally been happening. So we're going to head back to the RV real quick to let Bailey out, because it's been several hours, so he needs to go out and stretch his legs. But we are going to make sure we're going on the right boat. We're going to figure this out, but this is going to conclude part 1 of this, and we'll be right back with part 2 video from the evening at Magic Kingdom. So we will see you guys later.